Boy, iPad, I mean, it was bad enough that we had to deal with you guys trying to take over our jobs. Now we have to worry about a Galaxy tablet?
First of all, you silly camcorders, we weren't trying to take over your jobs. And second, I'm not too happy about this either.
Well, yeah. I mean, I know Dallas is going to get the Galaxy Tab first, but what's really going to be scary, though, is when he gets that S24 Ultra.
It just makes me so mad that Dallas would betray us after all this time. I've been with Dallas now for almost 9 years. You guys have been with Dallas for over a decade. The CX900s will be with Dallas for over a decade in September. I just don't know. I don't know what to think.
Well, you know, it's Dallas's decision, but as you know, in his last video, he did say that he was going to keep us until later. Now, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is going to be an interesting upgrade. I can't wait to see that.
Well, all I can say is Dallas is an idiot. I will not be replaced by a Galaxy tablet, stupid Samsung.
Well, you know, times are changing. Times are changing. Big time. Come on, guys. Let's go back up on the shelf. Well, how'd your little talk with the iPad go? Well, guys, it's going to be an interesting year. It's going to be a really interesting year.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Sharp view cam.
What is it, Sony? What is it, Sony Digital 8?
Why are you talking like that?
I'm trying to sound manly.
Well, get off of it. Digital 8. Yeah, CX900. Leave the view cam alone. Essentially, it's like a glorified iPad.
I am not an iPad. I am a camcorder, not a tablet.
Yeah. But why do you think tablets came out like that?
I am not a tablet.
Okay. But I mean, if you think about it, the way that you can record and things like that.
I said I am not a tablet, nor will I ever want to be a tablet. It just makes me so angry that they put me in that position.
Yeah, you're a camcorder, all right.
I'm not a tablet. I don't look like a tablet. Do I look like a tablet to you guys? No.
Stupid dumb camcorders, what am I gonna do?